Hi, my name is Traynor. I'm from Conform Developments. We're here with Antec Concrete Equipment and we're taking possession of our M30. The process has taken around about 8 or 9 months with working through the solution that we wanted to achieve and I guess the conversation about what Antec can provide us. And thus far the equipment's been phenomenal. I guess the versatility, the equipment itself, and I guess the team working with us to try and come up with the solution we need. The M30 being a volumetric means obviously mixing the equipment's on site, giving us that flexibility and that conversation that we can actually take it anywhere, anytime and match what we want to achieve in the industry. We're a commercial builder. We work in many locations around Australia. We build service stations and warehouses, and they always come with their challenges. Concrete being the heart of our project means we want time and efficiency and also cost efficiency. So that flexibility that Antec, the M30 provides us is one, it gives us flexibility, but two, it really changes how we think about concrete. That we can actually manage, the time on site, but also get it when we want it, make concrete when we need it. And the management of that solution means that we can use as little as we want or as much as we want based on the production rates. So we've taken order of the M30, which means we get around 24 cube an hour. So the big plan for us is to really sequence our works with regards to size of pours, footings, thinking about slabs, thinking about how we manage our material on site, and the logistics and how you manage that. So the fun for us is really opening up those conversations about thinking about we can order this much rock, this much cement and this much sand, and how many cubes of concrete we can make and what we can make in the time we need on site, which really condenses our time on site for some of those activities. So if we're ordering concrete today, for the footings or something of that nature, it means we know when we're going to start it, when we're going to finish. We're not waiting for someone to tell me when I can get concrete. And that's the big thing for us, is that we gain control. So the team's been amazing, working with Rob and working with Daryl and working through, I guess, the operator that we're going to have for the job and who's going to actually, physically operate that equipment. It's really been key to us because the quality requirements we've got to match in our industry is making sure, one, that there's a specification and a mix design, and two, that we've got the right rock, the right sand, the right cement, and the right water. And once you get the content together, you're baking a cake. And then the production for us is thinking about where it's going to be and what it's going to be. We're not concreters, but we want to be concrete suppliers, but only for our jobs and our projects, because we feel like we can manage that in what we do. And the real beauty for us is that when we're being a builder, it opens up opportunities. We do tilt panels, we do dinsel, we do footings, we do the concrete slabs, we do pavements. And some of the added benefits that we're sort of focusing on now, we can do curbing. That's a real interesting one for us. There's additives that can be done. You can work with accelerators, you can work with water retarders, you can work with glass reinforced fibre. So the interesting conversation that there's always a solution. It's working with the team, with Antec, and figuring out how you can put that into your business and what opportunities there are. With the glass reinforced fibre, it's interesting pits and pipe. The conversation about doing, I guess, the foam aerated system, for different types of resolves. And it opens up different clientele base. So we're interested to see how we're going to implement into our business, how we're going to manage, the interfaces. But we're really confident that we're going to get a good customer service with Rob and Daryl. And just if we have any issues, there's always the opportunity to talk to their customer services, wherever that may well be. And again, any maintenance or any issues we have, we've got someone to call. So not only for me being a director, knowing that the confidence in that equipment and how it's going to be used by my operator is one thing, but also how I'm going to follow through with that customer service and what I need to achieve. Because if I have a breakdown, I need to know who I'm going to talk to and how we're going to resolve it. Because if that equipment's broken down, one, we're not making production and we're losing money. So the conversation over the last training couple of days has really been focused on operation. And I've really appreciated that from the team, because it takes a lot of time to find a place to train us and actually use the actual product and really show how we're going to use that solution in our industry. So I implore the Antec equipment and give Daryl and Rob a call and talk through what you want, and they'll come up with a solution.